What are blockchain oracles? Please be advised, our videos are not financial advice. The purpose of these videos is to help you on your own investing journey and to learn about the assets we support. A benefit to blockchains is that they are nearly impossible to tamper with, and its security is derived from a decentralized network. These networks use independent validators who limit their connection to the outside world. But that can cause an issue when it comes to smart contracts. Smart contracts sometimes need information that is stored in different secure blockchains. A blockchain oracle solves this problem. A blockchain oracle is defined as a third-party service that connects the outside world with smart contracts. It can also be described as a mechanism that allows data systems and smart contracts to interact when they are not located on the same blockchain. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts. The contract completes automatically when the terms of the agreement between the seller and the buyer are fulfilled. These details are directly written into the code. If you have questions about smart contracts, you can check out our 5-minute video on it. The link is in the description. Many Ethereum applications use blockchain oracles or decentralized oracle networks. For example, Chainlink, or Link, is a decentralized oracle network that provides a tamper-proof connection to all of the world's highest quality data feeds. Chainlink is available on the HubKoin exchange, and we will be releasing a video on Chainlink in the future. Decentralized oracle networks, or blockchain oracles, are an exciting new technology that solves problems and shows much promise. We here at HubKoin will be watching to see how this technology evolves and enhances smart contracts in the future. We've reached the end of the video. We really appreciate your time, and if you like this video, feel free to give it a like. You can also subscribe to our channel for more future crypto info videos. Thanks so much for sticking through to the end, and as always, remember, we're all learning together. Sources for this video are listed in the description. Thank you for watching.